Hello everyone! Welcome to the introduction to spreadsheet software for the Green School project. Think of a spreadsheet as a super smart digital notebook organized in a grid. It helps us track numbers, text, and lots of information very neatly. From managing the number of trees in a small garden to tracking rainfall for a large farm, spreadsheets make data simple and easy to understand. Every spreadsheet is built using columns and rows. Columns run vertically, from top to bottom, and are usually marked with letters like A, B, C, etc. Rows run horizontally, from left to right, and are marked with numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Together, they create a perfect grid for your information. Where a column and a row meet, it's called a cell. Each cell has a unique address, just like a house number. For example, cell B6 is where column B and row 6 intersect. And sometimes we need to work with multiple cells at once. That's a range, like B4 to E8, covering a block of information. It's like selecting a whole neighborhood. Now let's talk about how data is placed in these cells. There's a neat little rule. When you enter text, like names or descriptions, it usually aligns to the left of the cell. But when you enter numbers, they automatically align to the right. This helps us quickly distinguish between words and numbers in our spreadsheet. Making your spreadsheet look good and easy to read is extremely important. You can color different cells to highlight important data, bold text to draw attention, or adjust column widths so all your information fits perfectly. These formatting tools are like your artistic paintbrushes for data. After all that hard work, you need to save your spreadsheet. It's like putting your finished artwork in a safe place. You'll give it a name, like quote greenschool.xlsx, quote for our Green School project. And if you have many different pieces of data, you can keep them organized by renaming your sheets, giving each one a clear label. It's that easy.